Hi, this is Tom from Farland Classic Restoration in Denver, Colorado. We're having a look at this 1991 BMW M3 from our showroom at farlandcars.com. This is an E30 Series M3, a very popular car and rising star in the collector world. This one is finished in brilliant red over natural leather. As you can see, the body is in great shape. Also, this car is bone stock and has only 69,000 miles on it. Most of these M3s have been modified or tracked and have way over 100,000 miles. Back in the showroom, we'll have a look at the engine bay. We have just completed over $7,000 worth of mechanical upkeep on this car, including a new steering rack, engine and transmission mounts, and upgraded refrigerant system so that AC blows nice and cold, plus a lot more. Inside we can see the natural color leather interior. We've done a light restoration on the original seats. On the interior, everything is stock and operating correctly. It has the original radio, starts right up, and everything works just fine with no warning lights. All the body panel VIN stickers match on this vehicle also. It has original tools and books with extensive documentation. All of this information has been woven into this incredible book that was put together by Denver's Auto Historical Group. Overall, if you're looking for a collectible E30 M3, this is the one. If you're interested in this car, please give us a call at 720-588-8427 or email info@farlandcars.com. Thank you very much.